If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Just as when you receive an overpayment, if a customer gives you a down payment or prepayment which you want to take and then invoice them at a later date, you can enter the entire payment received for the customer or customer job into the Receive Payments window. Since they have no outstanding invoice against which to apply the amount entered, the entire amount will be saved as a customer credit when you click either the Save and Close or Save and New buttons. Later on, after you have invoiced the customer or customer job, you must return to the Receive Payments window to apply the credit against the invoice that was created. In the next lesson, we will examine how to apply customer credits created by overpayments, down payments, or prepayments to outstanding customer invoices. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.